Hey guys, today's video I want to show you a new earning apps. This app really reliable and you can make money from it. Okay, so first of all you need to go Google Play Store. Then you will find this app. I also put this app link in video description box. Okay, it's called Daily Taka apps. It's created by Sciences Bangla. You can check her another app create on here. uh, Reward cat make money. And you also first of all you no need to download it, you can check it. It is very helpful earning app. Thought it's new but hope it is always trusted. It's very soon 13/11 that review available. So we need to about this app. Okay, so they also give some description about this app. Reward cat make money online by play cat and stop cat much more. They also give some link how to withdraw money. You will be able to withdraw your money thought development. Coinbase, Bikash, Nagod, PayPal, Binance, Paytm, who are having enough income when you fast work. Okay, so you can see the email address they also provided. No reply dot sabbir at gmail.com. And this is so funny. uh, how I say it is funny, you can see it. This is a local Gmail email address, and he said no reply the sabbir at the gmail.com. It is so very funny. A privacy link blogspot.com, blah blah blah. And you can check which time this app was published at. This app last published, oh sorry, this app last published on 5th November in 2022. And almost 10,000 people downloaded this app. It's a size almost 14.99 MB. Require iOS and Android 5. Offer by Science Bangla. Released. It's published in October 2022. It's more than 1 to October, November, December, January, February, almost 5 months. Okay, so we need to download it fast, then we will see everything. It's we start this download. And also Lucky Taka, it's I think it's also done the payment. For today my request for withdrawal money is Bkash pending for your app. Still I'm still having your app. Scam not receive my rhythm loading faster because this app is uploading the video. Okay. So I think this app is fake, not because coin also having some okay, I also download this and check how much it will be payment or not payment. Okay, and also X rewards game and blah blah blah. They also give some information about this. You not login fix this problem. App does not work for Google login is not working. Okay, so they also give some information why this app not to be login or login that blah blah. Okay, so I start also download this app. And oh okay, it is also downloaded. Daily Taka is also downloaded. So let's get some information about this. And you also saw some ads on there. But if need to check all the review first of all download, you need to check all review. Okay, um, okay, check some review on this. I think it's not true that blah blah blah, many kind of person give some review and some information get outside. Okay, I think my all app also downloaded. Go to and check it. So how much app? It's Reward Cat and Lucky Token. You also saw some apps on here, Wild Cash, everything. So I click Wild Cash. You can check it, Wild Cash. I don't know how much time will need it for download it. Okay, time 00. I start it. Okay, it will take some time. 55,000. Okay. Okay, the app was login successful. I'm sorry for that. Okay, it will take some time for login. Download. Reward get lucky taka. Okay, it's download completed. Daily taka, and login this application. It will take some time, and then you can do everything. Okay, just need some time. It's loading and take some time, but it is open very soon. Okay, sign up. Okay, I need to take a name. I put my name. Gmail address. Just for tutorial purpose, I am creating this account, but I have a account on here. Okay, just copy this email address. Next, create account. Okay, they called me to keep. I take this name. Gmail. Okay, next, create this account. Use okay, 1 2 3 4. They will check if their referral is active or available. Okay, I have 0.5, and okay, I click it, and I think I will got it. There is two link and available.
Hello. Do you need money? Yes. Can you help me?
Okay, just add is coming and I skip it. It will take some time. Okay, you can see it. Invite your friend. If you invite on here your friend, you will get some coin and you easily withdraw it. Okay. I think this app have some bug, lucky spin, and please connect it unite. Okay, I understand. Okay, and also have another app like rewards cat, lucky taka. You can also check on it. So thank you for watching today's video. Today's video I properly show the example how you can easily earn from there, and you can do something. Okay, I hope you are enjoy this video, and please give me your feedback in comment section. Write something about this video, how you enjoy, and what is need to improve my video. I am really appreciate to you, and I also read your every comment. Just a single bite, you just a single line. What are you writing on there? So thank you for watching this video. Today's I am go. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe this channel.